What's going on, guys? It's Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to export with subtitles in Premiere Pro. In this video, you'll learn about adding captions to your videos in Premiere Pro, exporting videos with captions, and how to upload caption files to your YouTube videos.
That's good.
Alright guys, so I want to get to exporting videos with subtitles in Premiere Pro because subtitles are so important on social media nowadays, especially Instagram and Facebook. No one's going to really watch a video that doesn't have subtitles because a lot of people watch videos on silent. So let's go ahead and manually add some captions. So the best way that I manually add captions is by playing a video and taking notes, okay? So I'm just going to open up a notepad. Let's go ahead and type notepad. Bam. Okay, so I've got my notepad open. I'm only gonna want to have maybe like maximum like 10 words in a line. So everything that she says, I'm just gonna like transcribe manually. Okay, it's not too long of a video, so it won't take very long. I'll also share the transcription of the video, so you guys don't really have to do it. I'll share it with you in the downloads below in the description. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna play about 15 seconds on repeat and make sure I can type everything out in an efficient manner. So I'm just gonna speed up this part of the video because it's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna make sure I put it on loop playback so it keeps going in case I'm too slow.
Okay, so I'm Jen Sway. I'm the founder and owner of Jen Sway Health. It is a health and wellness company helping.
Alright, so I've got all the subtitles written out. It took me about like 5 minutes. And let's go ahead and transfer them into captions. So it's going to be a matter of copy and pasting. So all I'm going to do is hit this new item down here in the corner, and we're going to do captions. Let's do CEA 608 and then CC1 for the stream, 23976. All the settings are right here. Sorry, my face was blocking the window. Hit OK. And then now we've got the caption file. So I'm going to put it in the sequence folder, double click this, and now we can start creating captions. So let's go ahead and copy and paste the first one, and then let's paste it in here, okay? So what I've done is I have one caption showing, and in order to see it, I can drag the file on the very top part of our timeline. So I'm just going to drag this out, okay? Drag it out all the way because the captions are going to overlay on top of everything, right? So right here, I have the caption, and we can't see what I inputted, but it is this black section right here. We can extend this out right here, so it says, okay, so I'm Jen, right? So in order to see the caption, we're going to go to closed caption display, and we're going to hit enable. Bam, so we see the captions. So we don't want to burn the captions into the video. We don't want to export them with it on there. It's kind of like ugly. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna import the captions. It's gonna look bad, but when we export, it's gonna export with a caption file next to it, and the video is gonna be clean. All right, so I'm just gonna keep adding those captions by double clicking on this, opening the caption window, and then I'll just hit the plus. So I can add one right next to it, and let's copy and paste the second line in, and then we will zoom in here and just extend this caption out, okay? And we're gonna have to line it up to what she's saying. Turn up the in and out points, go over here. So she says the first line.
Okay, so I'm Jen Sway. I'm the founder and owner.
So she says, I'm Jen Sway, I am.
Okay, so I'm Jen Sway. I'm the
founder. Okay, so she stops at founder. And then we see and owner of Jen Sway Health.
Founder and owner of Jen Sway Health.
Cool. And then we'll line up this caption here. Bada bing. Alright, so I'm just going to continue with that. This should take about 5 minutes as well. Alright guys, so we successfully added captions to the video. Let me just go ahead and read it and play it so you can see. Sometimes the captions get cut off at the end and they look weird in Premiere, but that's okay. Trust me, when they export, they'll be nice and clean. It'll be really easy to just add them to your videos on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. Now, specifically for Instagram or Facebook, if you want to burn these captions into your video, we can tweak those settings. Just let me know in the comments down below if that's what you need, and we will talk more about it. All right, so now that we've got these captions going, let's go ahead and export it. So we have our program monitor highlighted. Let's do Controller Command M, and let's pop this up. All right, let me change my camera again. Okay, so we have the export settings up. Everything is the way we want it. We've got match source and everything, and then let's make this 8 because we want to make it for YouTube. And now since we're making it for YouTube, we also want to add captions on YouTube when we upload it. So let's go to the Captions tab, export options, we got create sidecar file. See that? So let's go ahead and create an SRT, because those are SRT files are the standard like caption file. That's the most common, so we're going to use that, okay? And YouTube totally accepts it. So we are finally going to hit export after all these videos, and we're going to click, make sure we save it on our desktop. Okay, we're good. Save it there, and we are going to hit just export. And because Caption says export options create a sidecar file, that means literally the file is going to come with the export. So it's in a little sidecar, and it's going to show up right next to the video when you export it. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit export and watch this loading bar go. Okay, is it done? It's done. Okay, I was just kind of getting sucked into space. I don't know if you guys could tell. But okay, we finished it. Let's go ahead and find it on our desktop. Let me just open this guy. Okay, so go to desktop and we will see a bunch of crap. But what matters is JCH interview 10/12/20 and the sidecar file. So we double click that sidecar. You can see all of this information, all this juicy info that it created for us. Give us timestamps when the captions come up. These are all the ones that I imported myself. Wow, I did 37. Okay, so I want to show you guys how we can upload caption files to our videos on YouTube. So let's go to YouTube and let's start uploading this video. Okay, so let's hit that big upload video button. I need to do this more often. Don't always upload on YouTube, which is a problem. Okay, so now select files. Let's click here. Let's grab the JCH interview. Bam! We are uploading. We are going. And what I want to do is ignore all of this stuff, okay? We're going to scroll down to more options. And you're going to notice after the tags, all this crap, we're going to see language subtitles and closed captions. So let's go ahead and upload our own subtitle file. We're going to do it with timing, hit continue, and then let's do that notepad. Bam! So now it says English by you, that's the file, and when we hit next, it's amazing because everything's uploaded and it's all good. What uploading subtitles does in YouTube is it adds to your keyword score. It adds to the reason why YouTube should serve your video to random viewers on the internet. It adds to the reason why your video should show up in the suggested video section, and it ups your SEO game, your search engine optimization on YouTube, so your videos can get found. So uploading subtitles is such a key feature that YouTube wants you to do because it really makes your video more accurate. If your subtitles have all the words that you're using in the subtitles, then it matches your keywords and your description and your titles, your SEO on YouTube just skyrockets. Alright, so I hope that makes sense, guys. We went over creating captions, exporting captions as a sidecar file, and uploading them to YouTube. It's a lot of fun showing you guys how to do this, and I will see you in the next video. Hey guys, so this tutorial is from a full course on Adobe Premiere Pro. Go to ParEdits.com/Premiere Pro or click the link in the description down below.